Good evening to my dear students. So I am Balaji from Bangalore itself. Now we are going to discuss about communication systems. So these communication systems we can broadly divide into two parts. The one is analog communication systems. So this communication systems, analog and digital part. So first we'll cover this analog communications part and then we'll go for this digital communication part. Okay. So as for our, I think we are preparing for GATE examination. So we will discuss more number of GATE problems what we can cover in this our analog total communication systems part. So this analog and digital communication both plays an important role in GATE point of view and as well as in interview point of view. Okay, as well as in interview point of view. So if you see what is the importance of this communication systems in GATE examination, so analog and digital, most probably you will get questions on particular topics only. So that means we should not go as a broad point of view because it is a very vast subject. So we can go on selected topics and in depth in that topics, and remaining whichever is less probability of getting questions, there we can go the basics part. That is enough. And now analog, in this we will go in analog communication in detail what we are going to study and different types of modulation techniques and how the generation and demodulation of the techniques and transmitters, receivers part and noise in the transmitter and receivers part. And then we can go ahead, so analog communication systems very deeply and digital communication systems and what are the digital communications, digital modulation techniques and demodulation techniques. And then what are the probability of errors and noises and all these things we will see in the digital communication system. And mainly the weightage of this communication system in GATE examination is weightage 8 to 10 marks. So 8 to 10 marks is the weightage of this communication systems in GATE point of view. If you take an IES, so nearly in objective 40 marks, and in this is objective, a subjective as well as you will get 50 to 80 marks. And other exams, equal priority with all subjects. That means we can take it as 10 questions. Okay. So this is the importance of this communication systems. So mainly we are concentrating on GATE. The first thing, how here today is our introductory class, so we can go ahead how the questions are being asked. I can divide these questions into 3 levels. The first one is level 1, 2, 3. Here what is going to happen means, so many students are applying, so many members are applying in GATE examination. The first thing is level 1 examination. In level 1 questions, level 2, level 3. In this question, very basic questions like formulas, very basic like formula based. And here level 2 questions. So direct substitution. Formula substitution. Next is level 3. In this level 3 questions, we have to be some analytical questions. So analytical questions you will get it. So these are the type of exam. These all the students can go ahead. This only some. This those who are preparing GATE are going and taking the coachings. Those only this needs some knowledge. We have to invest to get solutions for these type of questions. We'll see all these types of models while discussing the questions. Okay. Now we'll see basics of analog communication systems.